Hi. For more than a year, I have been using my helmet without cleaning it properly. I clean the shell, I clean the visor, but it's the inside that I have completely ignored. And that is where I have been sweating, sneezing, coughing all year long. So today, I will clean it properly from inside and out. And you will do it with me. So let's go. Even though this is a fairly simple task, and these instructions are good enough for any helmet that has removable padding, I would still recommend all of you to check with your helmet's owner's manual and check if there are any instructions for cleaning. Alright, you need the following to clean your helmet. A soft cloth, preferably a microfiber, a baby shampoo, and if you don't have that, some kind of light organic shampoo will do, a bucket of clean water, and about half a bowl of warm water. Let's begin, shall we? First, mix 1 teaspoon of shampoo in the bucket of water. Then take the pads out of the helmet and soak them in that water. Leave them for a few minutes. In the meantime, let's clean the helmet from the outside. Take the visor off first, then soak the microfiber cloth in warm water. If you think your visor is too dirty and warm water cannot do it, you can use something like cotton, but I would always recommend water. Once done, let's move to the shell and start cleaning it. We'll use the same microfiber cloth and warm water to do this. When you are done cleaning the visor and the helmet from the outside, take the pads out of the bucket and wash them in clean water. You can easily do this under a tap. Now, this is important. To dry the pads, you can either put them under a fan or let them dry on their own, but do not put them directly in the sunlight. You see, sunlight is strong and harsh, and it can take away the softness of the padding. So your helmet is clean now, and it feels good, doesn't it? But remember, this pandemic is not going anywhere anytime soon. So we are all changing our habits, and one of that is not to share your helmet with anyone. And do not ask anyone for their helmet. And always keep it covered when you're not using it. Alright, thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video.